Welcome back to another video here on my channel, and if this is your first time watching a video from me, then hello, my name is Shuri Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. While I'm talking, you may hear my children in the background somewhere, so just a heads up on that. So we're going to be using this hair dye box right here from this brand. Using this Cream of Nature lightest blonde hair dye. It says it's moisture rich hair color with shea butter conditioner, leaves hair in better condition, multi-dimensional color, radiant shine, 100% gray coverage, liquid permanent hair color, and it is ammonia free. I did already open up the box and read through the instructions because I wanted to make sure, like, does my hair need to be dirty? Does it need to be clean? So for this particular hair dye, you do need to have clean hair before you do this, but not freshly cleaned hair. It needs to be at least 24 hours since you've washed your hair. On the back of the instructions, it do come with gloves on here. Inside the kit are these 4 products right here. So you have a 1, 2, 3, and then this product is actually just extra in this kit because it is the lightest blonde kit. So this powder gets put into this as well. This hair was previously dyed using the L'Oreal High Colors in red, and I removed that red, and now I'm going to dye this blonde. So that is a little quick background on my hair. If you want to see how I remove the red, I will have that video linked up here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the mixture of these products, and then I will be back to actually apply these. I've already washed my hair a day ago and put leave-in conditioner, and that's it, and twisted my hair so that way my hair wouldn't have a lot of product on it. But I'm only going to be dyeing my hair where you see it's brown. I'm gonna leave my roots black for now, and then next time I plan on doing a color change, I may go up more into my root area. But for this video, I'm only dyeing my previously dyed hair. So guys, we're going to get started. check back with you guys. And we'll see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be okay with whatever it looks like because I didn't want it too bright. A golden blonde color is what I'm looking for, so we'll see what we're gonna get today. It was already a dark brown pretty much, so I just wanted it to be more lighter and more noticeable. So we're gonna see. I'll be back to show you what it's looking like. So I have sat with this on my hair for about almost 25 minutes. So let's just see what it's looking like. Okay, so that's the first section right there. Okay, it's really close to what I want, but I'm gonna let it sit for 5 more minutes because that's the max you can let this sit, is 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm really liking the color I'm getting so far. Quickly show you guys my results after I rinsed out everything, shampooed twice, and conditioned with the conditioner provided in the box. So this is what my hair is looking like. So this is the exact color I was wanting, so I'm pretty happy and satisfied and content. So if this is the same type of results that you were trying to get when you clicked on this video, then I say yes, this kit is a great kit to use if that's what you're trying to achieve, is this result. When I was rinsing out the hair color, my hair felt so smooth and soft. When I used the hair conditioner that came in the kit, oh my gosh, it smells amazing, and it definitely did good with moisturization. So I had a great wash experience after. But yeah, so just stay tuned toward the end of the video to see my completely dry results. If you found this video helpful in any kind of way, please give your girl a thumbs up before you go. And if this is your first time watching a video from me, you may want to consider subscribing for other hair color related videos in the future. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload from me. You all have a wonderful day or night, and thank you so very much for watching my video. Bye.